Hi, I'm Susan at Stewart's. Hi, I'm Susan. Hi, I'm Susan. Hi, I'm Susan. I haven't said that line for years. I'm here for the 10-gallon challenge. Now, the 10-gallon challenge not only helps the dairy industry, it helps people who need milk. Now, the great part about the 10-gallon challenge and buying it at Stewart shops is that you buy 10 gallons, but then you get one free. So that charity gets 11 gallons of milk. You know, during the holidays, everybody is really generous. But you know, the soup kitchens and the food pantries, they need our help all year long. The best thing about Stewart's milk is it all comes from local farms, so it's fresh and local.
Hi, Susan.
Hi, how are you? I'm participating in the 10-gallon challenge.
Okay. Do you have a milk club card?
Yes, I have a milk club card. Now, before you bring those 11 gallons to either a food pantry or a soup kitchen, you need to call ahead to make sure that they have enough refrigeration and that they can get the milk to somebody who needs it. Thanks so much. So I'm going to challenge Dennis Mensch from SPAC and Cindy Lawson from Saratoga Hospital. Now, why did I pick those two organizations? Because they both take care of us and they're very important in our community. Hospital takes care of our bodies and SPAC takes care of our creative souls. Don't forget, use the Milk Club card. Okay, I'm off to the Wilton Food Pantry.